Is it possible to build a shelter from scratch in the deep mountain forests all by yourself? In this video, you'll watch the incredible story of a man who built his own shelter, complete with every detail, from wooden bridges to a fireplace. In the first scene of the video, the man makes initial preparations for his shelter in the rocky mountainside. He uses his shoulders to drag and place logs, utilizing the natural rock to assess the gaps. This scene clearly demonstrates the challenging yet exciting nature of building a living space from scratch in challenging natural conditions. In this section, the man begins to organize the interior of the shelter by utilizing the natural cavities in the rock. He first constructs the skeleton structure from sturdy logs and anchors it to the rock, creating a secure base. The hammock strung in the background offers a small but significant detail for relaxing in nature, while the focus shifts entirely to creating a durable and sheltered space beneath the rock. This scene signals that the shelter is no longer just an exterior structure, but a livable environment is beginning to emerge within. In this scene, a man constructs wooden railings to increase safety and enhance his shelter on the cliffside. By anchoring thick logs, he creates both a sturdy barrier and a small terraced area overlooking the landscape. This demonstrates that the shelter is shaped not only for protection but also for enjoying nature. In this episode, the man makes the interior of the shelter more livable. He builds a sturdy wooden bed platform on top by fastening logs to the wall. He installs a small, handmade wooden ladder on the bottom, making access to the terrace and bed easier. This scene demonstrates that the shelter is no longer just a place of protection, but rather one of comfort and practicality. In this scene, the man adds small but useful items to the interior of his shelter to make it more functional. He creates a shelving and table arrangement using wooden panels placed between the logs. This creates practical solutions for meal preparation, organizing belongings, and facilitating daily life. His clever use of rock cavities demonstrates that the shelter is no longer just a shelter, it has a livable, organized living space. In this scene, the man is beginning preparations for the roof, one of the shelter's most important components. He is creating a sturdy framework by fastening thick logs together on the cliff edge. This structure will both enclose the shelter's upper portion and provide protection from rain and strong winds. This roof framework, nestled harmoniously among the natural rocks, indicates that the shelter is nearing completion. He completes the roof, the shelter's most critical component. By carefully cutting and securing the durable PVC membrane, he provides waterproof protection against both rain and wind. This transforms the shelter into not only a durable but also a safe, all-season living space. This shelter, built in the midst of nature, is now complete with a backdrop of mountain and forest views. Towards the end of the video, the shelter's interior becomes almost home-like. By lining the walls with a mixture of adobe and clay, the man both strengthens the insulation and adds a natural aesthetic. Beneath the domed structure, supported by wooden logs, he adds a small stove oven area. This detail transforms the shelter from mere shelter into a fully habitable mountain home, suitable for cooking, warmth, and warmth. In the final moments of the video, we see the shelter now fully habitable. Inside, a fire burning in a small clay oven provides both warmth and a warm atmosphere. From the outside, the wooden terrace, sturdy roof, and entrance hidden within the natural rocks reveal a living space truly integrated with nature. At sunset, the mountain view surrounding the shelter offers a serene reward for the effort and challenging construction process.